You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the governor of the state of Florida and candidate to the general elections of 2024 in the United States. Now, the problem is that he has pronounced his name himself differently at different occasions, in different campaign ads and speeches. So it's either Ron, this one's straightforward, Ron DeSantis, Deh-Santis, or, and he's several times said that, introduced himself as Ron DeSantis, Deh-Santis, and Ron Deh-Santis as well. Let me look up a few sound bites for you right here, so you can hear how he
There's an issue you might have noticed.
Yeah, so that's a sound clip from a YouTube channel, and let me play Ron DeSantis introducing himself.
But not so fast. In fact, he says it twice.
I'm Ron DeSantis.
You've heard it.
There's an issue you might have noticed.
So this is a clip from News 4 Jax, the local station, and they've compiled a few clips of Ron DeSantis saying his name. Let's hear it again.
Ron DeSantis.
I'm Ron DeSantis.
Yep. So that was Ron himself saying his name.
But not so fast. Let's twice.
I'm Ron DeSantis.
Okay,
but not
let's
from
hear
the primary.
his wife.
His wife says in a campaign ad from the primaries.
Everyone knows my husband Ron DeSantis is endorsed by
So she says DeSantis, but Ron has said it differently as well at different occasions.
DeSantis, forgot.
That's an ad clip from 2018.
So I reached out to the campaign. It's Deh-Santis. Check out this old ad from when he was running for Congress in 2012.
I'm Ron DeSantis.
Ron DeSantis. So he sounds like he says it, Ron DeSantis, a bit more than Ron DeSantis.
Seemingly minor issue is getting noticed statewide. Look at this article from the video.
I'm Ron DeSantis.
So now this.
But on this one, he says DeSantis. So, yeah, we don't know, essentially. But it sounds like he says it Deh-Santis. I'll link the original video all those sounds are from in the video description. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.